The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Oh, no time to wait.
Bunlar benim çocukluğumun hayalleriydi. Biz de çocukluğumuzda bunlarla büyüdük. Ve şimdi Orlando'daki Disney parklarında geziyorum. Bir yıllık abonelik aldım. $1300 para verdim. Ama istediğim zaman buradaki bulunan 5 büyük parka istediğim zaman girebiliyorum. VIP ticket yani. Buraya daha önce geldim ve tekrar geldim. Çünkü Star Wars benim her şeydi çocukluğumdayken.
Feet and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
Hadi canım.
Pick these two droids anyway.
Hadi canım.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Onu anladım da nasıl becerdin onu? Yok canım. Çok iyi ya. Where are we going? Give me on. Teleport, okay. No way.
Yes, I just wanted to be sure.
I'm here. Oh.
Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Bakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. Go check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order attack fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red 2, Blue 5, get the clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
This is bus, right? Normally, this is some bus. Bus. That's good.
We're caught in a tragedy. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some fights and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Those doors.
Zeynep, let's go.
You are the authority of the Supreme Leader. Your transport is now under the command of the First Order. You will disembark and head straight down the corridor for your interrogation. Now move it. Yes, ma'am.
Neydi abi? Okan nereye gidiyorsun?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Bizi kaçırmayalım.
Zeynep!
Not right now. Ne yapıyoruz? Neymiş canım?
Bizim rengimiz green.
Green. Green.
Orange on the right! Cargo will go on the ground by your feet.
Buraya çocuklar tamam mı? At at. İri amcam benim.
Alright, let's make sure these seatbelts go on from left to right and left to right only, and then we're gonna make sure we put all cargo, including hats and bags, below at our feet.
Şimdi biz kaçıyor muyuz?
Alright.
Girls, you okay?
Front row,
çekiyorsun
please
abi.
pull the yellow tab on the right-hand side of your seatbelt. Come on, pull your yellow tab on the right. Perfect, thank you. Back row, please pull the yellow tab on the right-hand side. Perfect.
Gülümse bakayım. Senin
Cool.
YouTube'a
Both
bakıyorum.
rows, please put your arms where you're good. Front row, can I have everyone's arms up and keep them up? You're good. Watch the left-hand side. Our 5's going to close these doors. Let's make sure all loose cargo is below our feet. Only the force be with you.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed
Yok
to
da.
return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
Hadi canım.
Pick these two droids anyway.
Hadi canım.
There they are. Fire!
Bak burada Türkçe var.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields.
Ayna gibi gözüküyor ama ayna değil.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless.
Vay be.
There's nowhere
Çok iyi
to
ama ya.
run.
Ha. Yok da. O ne be?
Oradan geliyordu. Kapı kapandı. Oradan girmeye
Onu anladım da nasıl becerdin onu?
All resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer the back.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Okay, you're clear.
Aman Allah'ım. Allah!
Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nasıl bir sistem ya? Nasıl becermiş?
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, your resistance now. I think I have that authority.
200.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on
Ve bitti
deck.
değil mi?
I know. Scan for his pod beacon.
Bizim eleman eleman bize o eleman.
I should hope so. Great job, recruit.
Kayaya oturmuş ya.
Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Nasıl makineler? Nasıl makineler bunlar? Bunlar nasıl makine?
Aren't you a little bold for a civilian? We've got eyes on you.
We have reports of resistance in the area. Report any suspicious activity to prefect officers. Use only designated communication channels.
Star Wars izleyenler bu gemileri bilir. Gerçekten şimdi Star Wars'un içerisinde yaşıyor gibisin. Şimdi yağmur başladığı için sanırsam devam etmeyeceğiz. Telefondaki uygulamaya göre yağmur birazdan kesilecek gibi görüyor ama biz herhalde saklanacak bir yer bulacağız şimdi kendimize.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
Yok da.
Good.
Sorry.
Shouldn't you be a throwing crap? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base.
Çok iyi ama ya. Çok fazla iyi.
Ben o geldiğimde morali bozukluğundan bir saat sonra bakmadım.
İyi tabii. Ama çok fazla iyi ya.